All right, we're a little bit of a change of pace now. Now, if the idea of coughing, sneezing, or even just laughing out loud fills you with a bit of dread because you're worried about urine leakage, there is help at hand. Zoe Lee from Allure Clinic is here to tell us about some of the latest technologies available to help solve what can be a life-limiting problem. Hello, Zoe. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Kate.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Now, look, first of all, why don't you tell us some of the causes of urinary incontinence in women?
Okay, so the most common causes of female urinary incontinence in Australia can be hormonal change,
Right.
pregnancy,
Yeah.
childbirth, postpartum, menopausing, and aging.
Oh, gosh, and that comes to us all, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you offer 2 levels of treatment at your clinic
Yep.
to re-educate pelvic floor muscles, don't you? So the first one's the Tesla chair. Can you tell us what that is and also how many treatments you need to see an improvement?
Okay, so Tesla chair use functional magnetic stimulation technology to treat that weakened pelvic floor muscles
Yes.
and all type of urinary incontinence,
Yeah.
including stress incontinence and urge incontinence.
Okay.
It's a quick lunchtime procedure, only take a half an hour.
And you just sit in the chair, like we're seeing there? Okay.
Yeah, you can enjoy your favorite TV show when you're sitting on
What
the
you do,
chair.
have a cup of tea.
Correct.
So how many treatments do you need to see an improvement?
So a total of 6 treatments is recommended.
Okay.
With 2 treatments per week.
Per week. And now Empower V-Tone is another level up, and it's described as a game changer. So how does this one work, and what sort of downtime do you need?
Okay, so the V-Tone uses electrical muscle stimulation to directly strengthening that pelvic floor muscle intravaginally.
So this one's a bit more invasive.
It is,
Right.
it is.
Okay.
So, but there's no downtime.
Okay.
People can resume to their daily activities and work immediately after the treatment.
All right, that's good to know. Now, at your clinic, how do you actually assess what sort of treatment your clients might need?
So in our clinic, before the treatment, our lovely midwife and nurses will conduct a urinary incontinence assessment.
Okay.
So based on the result, and then we recommend the most suitable treatment for each individual.
For each individual. Look, I know the treatments are actually quite popular with celebs in Hollywood, like Eva Longoria. She's documented as actually saying she uses it. But what sort of feedback do you actually get from your clients?
Okay, so I have a very good story to share here.
Okay.
One of my clients, she's also my girlfriend.
Yeah.
So she's suffering from urge incontinence for years. She has 3 kids.
How old is she?
She's 45.
Okay, so young.
Yeah, she's quite young.
Okay.
And then when she travels from Sydney to Gold Coast, right, on the road trip, she has to, before she has to map out all the service stations, make sure she'll be able to stop over every 2 hours.
Oh, wow. And she's had the treatment, and what's the result been like for her?
So after 6 V-Tone treatment, her condition has been improved quite a lot.
Well, that is life-changing, isn't it?
It is.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now, look, I know there is a bit of a stigma associated with incontinence, and I understand that. I mean, it's embarrassing to talk about. So what's your advice to anyone who's actually struggling with it now?
Okay, so the figure has shown 30% of Australian women suffering from urinary incontinence.
Really?
Yes. Only 30% of them actually seeking for medical advice.
Right.
So what I suggest for all the women here is don't suffer from silence.
No.
So the technology is out there.
Yep.
The help is available.
You can get the help.
Yep. If you have symptoms, please act now.
Do something about it. All right. Thank you so much for coming in, Zoe, and covering this off with us. I think it's been really useful.
Thank you.
So I think the message is don't suffer in silence. There are treatments out there to help with incontinence, whatever the cause or severity. Now, just chat to your doctor to find a clinic near you, or if you live near Zoe's clinic in Burwood, get in touch via their website, allurewomenhealth.com.au. And now...